I wanna go on solo dates, but I don't know where to go. Hi, I'm Justin. I'm 27, and I wanna go on solo date. A bit of a backstory. I've been through 3 consecutive situationships and 1 6-month relationship that just ended recently. And those relationships happen consecutively kasi. And like literally after a week, meron ng bago. So, I feel like I didn't give myself time to heal and to process things and to grieve the situationships or the relationships. And my relationship ended 2 to 3 months ago, and I'm still in the healing process. So, I want to take myself out on dates. I want to finally give myself the time and the space to heal and discover myself. Because on my quest to find love, somewhere along the way, I lost myself. Parang I gave my everything to those relationships. And hindi ako nagtira for myself. Now is the time to finally do it. Ayun, I just got this inspiration from 2 TikTok creators. So what they do is essentially go through the alphabet A through Z. They take themselves out on dates. So for example, A, pupunta sila sa archery. B, magbo-bowling, ganon. Going through the alphabet. Hopefully, samahan niyo ako sa healing journey ko and discovering myself again. Very all too well ang atake. I'd like to be my old self again, but I'm still trying to find it. And let me know in the comments kung saan nyo gustong pumunta tayo. Thank you.